What's up, everybody? This is Noah from Noah's Toy Review. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing product toy. Stay tuned. Let's go open this. This is from Prime. What is this? This looks like a
magnetic blocks.
Oh yeah, that's a Let's go open this. Let's go open it. How do you do this? Oh, there you go. Why did it put tape? Oh, there you go. Let's rip it open. Yeah, let's open it. What the heck? You get two of these. You can bury anything you want. What the heck?
Those are magnetic blocks.
Man, they did pretty good, these. They have different colors. This is from Prime. This is probably your descriptions. What the heck? You can put everything you want. That's very cool. Let's take all of them out. Wow! They stick together. See, look. Let's try to take all of these apart. Let's try to take all of these apart. Wow! Let's go ahead and spread them out. I'm gonna see if I can make a tower. Whoa! Sorry, kids, I dropped that. Okay, I'm gonna try to make a tower, kids, with all of these. Ooh, when it falls, I lose. When it don't fall, I won him. I'm gonna put this right here. Let's spread this one out. Behind this is blue, and right here is red. So you spread all of this out. And back, it has green on the back. I'm gonna try to make a tower. See, look. Does it look like a tower? Let me know. I'm trying to make a long tower. Kids, I love this. This is like my favorite. I feel like this is like a cube. Like you roll things and it does like that. Whoa. Whoa. That is never gonna fall. Wow. Wow! This thing is never gonna fall. Now pink, behind pink is blue. One more. Okay. Whoa. You see that, kid? That is so big. Another one coming in. Whoa. Oh my god, you know what it reminds me? It reminds me of a rainbow. The inside looks so nice. The inside. Whoa. Maybe it's a king or queen tower.
Look at the instructions and build something from the instructions.
I'm trying to make a tower.
Then you need one of those triangles on top.
Whoa, I'm not done yet. Okay, one coming in. One last one, I hope I do it. Yay! Okay, so we have, it comes with some of these. Oh, you know what it reminds me? It reminds me of YouTube Got This. Like a play, like you want to play a video, you press this.
The play button.
Like a play button, yeah. Like a YouTube play button. If I had 1 million subscribers, I want a golden play button. Or 100 million.
100,000, you get a gold play button.
Yeah. Hey kids, this thing reminds me of a play button. Like you wanna play a video, you press this play button. Whoa. It's a heavy. Whoa. It's gonna be heavy this time. Man, it's never gonna fall. Because when it falls, I might be a loser. So back of these have like green. I'm 6 years old and I know how to do this thing. I gotta spread this one out. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this, like a play button. Oh my gosh, this definitely looks like a rainbow now. See a play button. Whoa. Oh! I lost on that one. Round one I lost because of falling. Oh, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. And it's a heavy one now. So this was my product video. Subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, and comment on my video. So I think I'm not done yet. I have to like do these first. Oh my god, oh my god! What happens when it's gonna fall? Oh my gosh. How about I make another tower like this one? Whoa, this is so cool. Which one do you like? The bigger version or the little version? Let me know. This time I'm going to make a bigger one. Have you seen the green play button or orange play button? Okay, now so you have to stop messing this up. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 more. Whoa. 3 more. One more. Yay, I did it! So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that thumbs up and that notification button. If you want to purchase these, get in the link below. So this is my video, and bye. Thank you.
Don't
for
forget to
watching.
subscribe to your channel, to your website, noanationadventures.com.
And this thing is gonna fall. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you for watching.